The Vivo V series line of smartphones has been known to be focused on mobile portrait photography devices for as long as we can remember. The latest in this lineup is the Vivo V40 and the Vivo V40 Lite, which is what we're going to talk about today. Sup peeps, earlier Vigo Tech, and here are the best features we like about the Vivo V40 Lite. First up is its battery. The Vivo V40 Lite 5G may have a standard 5,000 mAh battery capacity, but it also offers a Smart Charging Engine 2.0 feature with up to 50 months of battery durability. That's more than 4 years. This longevity and intelligent charging feature means that users can count on a consistent battery performance for 4 years, making it an ideal pick for those who want a device that lasts. The package also comes with an 80 watts fast charging. That's pretty fast, but of course, we tested it out to see how fast it can go. In the first 30 or so minutes, we're close to 60% battery life. At around 50 minutes, we got it to 100% charge. That's better than most phones we've tested this year. In fact, anything that fully charged in under an hour is already very fast charging in our book. Second is its display. The Vivo V40 Lite's display is a treat for those who love immersive viewing, whether it's watching movies, streaming videos, or browsing YouTube. Why? As it is equipped with a 91.9% screen-to-body ratio that's almost an edge-to-edge screen experience. It also has a 120Hz AMOLED display that ensures ultra-smooth navigation and seamless transition, perfect for gaming or scrolling through social feeds. To add to that, it comes with an impressive peak brightness of 1,800 nits, ensuring a vibrant and clear display even under direct sunlight, making it a reliable companion for both indoor and outdoor use. Another nice feature is its IP64 rating, which means the device is dust resistant and protected against splashes. This added durability gives you peace of mind, making it a reliable companion for everyday adventures, whether you're out in the dusty conditions or caught in light rain. Of course, we cannot forget its camera features. This device has a 50 megapixel main sensor with a focal aperture of 1.8, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor that captures a 120-degree field of view, and the unique Aura Light. This Aura Light is softer and provides more light, making low-light photography much better. One of the standout features is its enhanced AI tools, such as AI Erase and AI Photo Enhance, which make capturing perfect memories effortlessly. With AI Erase, you can seamlessly remove any unwanted elements from your photos, giving them a polished, professional look. Meanwhile, AI Photo Enhance automatically adjusts and improves the quality of your images, ensuring each shot looks its best. These tools empower you to create stunning photos with ease, helping you preserve moments exactly as you envision them. Now, let's talk about the 32 megapixel selfie camera. One thing that I like about this device is the Smart Screen Soft Light Ring, which provides uniform face illumination for beautifully balanced lighting in every shot. This feature ensures that your selfies always look fantastic, capturing natural skin tones and fine details even in low light settings. Finally, its color-changing design adds a captivating touch as the back of the phone subtly shifts colors when exposed to sunlight or UV light. This dynamic feature gives the device a unique and stylish look that stands out, making it not just a phone but a statement accessory that adapts to your environment. Want to hear something cool? The device color that we have right now, which is titanium silver, comes with a diamond starry texture. What the heck is that? It means that when a flashlight is directed to a device, it will sparkle like a diamond. And yeah, this is only exclusive to the titanium silver color variant. Now, if this colorway isn't really to your liking, they offer additional options such as dynamic black and dreamy violet. If you have come far into this video, then it means that you are probably interested in this device and is intrigued by its price point. Alright, the Vivo V40 Lite is available in 3 variants. The Vivo V40 Lite 4G with 16GB plus 256GB config, which is priced at 13,999 pesos. While the Vivo V40 Lite 5G with 16GB plus 256GB config is priced at 15,999 pesos. And the 24GB plus 512GB is priced at 18,999 pesos. In summary, the Vivo V40 Lite offers a wide range of features that provide excellent value for its price, including durable battery, fast charging, and Smart Engine 2.0 feature, an impressive display, good camera options, and an elegant and unique physique. So, will you consider making this device your daily companion? Are there any standout features we didn't mention that caught your attention? Share your thoughts down below. We'd love to hear what you think. And if you find this video informative or helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Don't forget to follow us on our socials, that's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Earl, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!